Have you ever wondered how professional filmmakers achieve that polished, cinematic look in their movies? It's all about color grading. Color grading is the process of adjusting the colors and tones of a video to create a certain mood or emotion. It's like applying a filter to your Instagram photo, but on a much more sophisticated level. The first step in mastering color grading is to understand the basics of color theory. It's essential to know how colors relate to each other, what emotions they can evoke, and how different color combinations can influence the viewer's perception of your video. Once you have a good grasp of color theory, you can move on to the technical side of color grading. This involves using specialized color grading software to fine-tune the contrast, saturation, brightness, and hue of your video. But mastering color grading isn't just about adjusting sliders and curves. It's also about having a keen eye for detail and understanding how to use color grading to tell a story. The best way to learn color grading is through practice. Experiment with different color grading techniques and see how they affect your videos. And don't be afraid to try new things. Creativity is the key to success in color grading. In conclusion, mastering color grading is a process that takes time and dedication. But with the right knowledge, tools, and passion, anyone can become a color grading expert. So start practicing today and see how your videos can transform into cinematic masterpieces. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more video editing tips and tricks.